Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11. So friend, here you can see this is my Windows 11 browser, and here I'm going to show you how you can set default Google Chrome browser in Windows 11. So keep watching. So friend, first of all, here I'm going to show you this is my Google Chrome browser, and I want to set this browser as a default browser in Windows 11. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, click on this start button which is available over here. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so friend, here you can easily find out this start button which is available here. Okay, you simply click here. So what happened when you click here, then you will get this option. Okay, you simply search, you directly type, right? You just directly type settings. When you directly type settings, automatically this searching bar is showing over here like this, settings. Automatically this settings is available over here. You simply click on that. So what happened here, you can see this Windows settings page is open now. Okay, what I will do, simply here you can search your default. Okay, here you can see default browser option. When I type DE, then here you will get this option, choose a default web browser. Okay, you simply click here. So whenever you click over here, then you will get all the default apps setting. Here you can see this is default app settings. Okay, here you can change all the things, like you can change default email option, map option, music player, photo viewer things. You can also change it, but right now we want to change default web browser. Okay, you simply click over here, and when you click here, then which type of browsers you installed into your system, then these list will be showing over here. So here you can see Google Chrome. So simply I'm going to click on that. So when I click on that, then before you switch, okay, you simply check it out, and here you can click on switch anyway. You simply click on this switch anyway. Okay, so friend, here you can see my default browser is changed now. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can simply use and change Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11. So friend, if you like this video, how to change or set Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.